Welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to study EditButton in SwiftUI. So let's start by creating a new file and name it as EditButton Playground. So EditButton is actually used to edit content that supports edit mode. And the best example to understand the edit button is to use it with a list because list supports the edit mode. So let's just have a list in here, and for list we further need to have actually a list of items. So let's just maybe first create a state in here and name it as list of maybe fruits, and let's just have maybe apple, banana, maybe orange, or maybe grapes, and maybe watermelon. So we have a list of fruits, and this does not necessarily need to be a state because we just need a list of items, so it can be anything. So you can actually remove state, that's also fine. And further we need to have a, because it's a list, so we need to have a dynamic content in our list to display all these value from the array. So we are going to use for each in here, and now let's use list of fruits. For the id, let's use \self, and then we are going to get fruit, and then we can display our fruit on the screen. And just like that, we have a very simple list that displays the all the fruits that we have. And yeah, and another reason for using this for each, we can actually have simple static content as well, like this. So that's also fine, but there was a reason for using this for each, and it's because to edit a list, specifically we are interested in uh, delete and move operation. So we want to delete an item from the list, and we want to move an item within the list. So, and when I say list, I am actually referring to this list and not this our list of fruits, just I would say maybe an array of fruits. So we want to delete an item from this list, and we want to move item within this list. And both these operations are not actually supported on the list. List is merely used for the view representation or something. Both these operations are supported on for each itself. So if we use dot on delete, you can see we have this operation on this for each. And when we when there is when something is being removed from this for each or from this list, we are going to get their index set. And another operation we want to support is on move, so press enter, and then we are going to get the offsets. So maybe this is called from offsets, and this is int, and it's like to offset, like you are moving the item from all these positions to this single position. So that's something. Yeah, so the another reason for using this for each was to support these two operations because they are only available on for each. And now we have our list, and it actually has these operations on it. So what next? We need we need some we need a way to actually edit this list. So, and that's where this edit button comes. So we first have to wrap our list inside a navigation stack, and then we can use toolbar. Since we are in a navigation, so we can use this toolbar. We are only interested in the content, so we are just going to use these curly braces for the content. And then we can use our edit button that is provided to us from the SwiftUI. So now we have an edit button, and if you tap on it, you can see that we can delete item from the list, and we can maybe move item, like move this watermelon to some other position like this. And if you press on done, the list is going to reset itself. And this is because we are only letting the system know that these two operations are supported. We are not actually implementing them. So what we need to do is, whenever this on delete is called, we actually need to delete the item. So we can just remove, add offset, and we can use this index set. This is basically the is the same thing as the offset. So now if you press on edit and you try to remove maybe orange, delete it, and press done, you can see that our list doesn't have anymore the orange because it's permanently removed from it. And in the same way, we can implement this on move method. So list of fruits dot, we already have these options, or these two methods available to us from the SwiftUI, from the Swift array, not the SwiftUI, it's purely from Swift. So we can move from offset to offset, and both of these options, these values are given to us by this move method. And now if we edit on the list, and you may notice that we the orange is back, and this is because the view is re-render. So that's why, because this is not actually, this is a static kind of a list, so we have these values defined here. If it's maybe something from the database or from an API, then maybe it's permanently removed. But now it's because these are coming from here, so every time this view is will render itself, you are going to see all of them. And now let's just edit and try to maybe change the order, maybe move apple to some other position. It's, yeah, just like that. Press on done, and just like that, apple is permanently moved to another position. So that's it for this video. But it's just a short video to let you know that we can edit list in SwiftUI, and both these operations are available on for each. And to show this edit button, we have to wrap our list inside a navigation stack. So if you have anything, let me know in the comment, and I will see you in the next video.